Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube activity missing on your Google activity. So if you're not able to find your activity for YouTube on your Google account, then you want to follow these steps to fix the problem. Head over to google.com on your browser on your computer. You can also follow similar steps on your mobile, and that's pretty much finding Google app and basically follow the same thing. So you're going to go ahead and click your account on the upper right, as you can see in my PC here, and click and manage your Google account, right? And for the mobile, it's going to be pretty much the same. You find Google on your phone, you select your account if you have different Google accounts, or you want to go ahead and scroll down and find the same stuff that is available. Now you want to go ahead and find the data and privacy, as you can see right here. You do that, scroll down, and immediately you will see if your Google activity or your Google history is paused. If your Google history is paused, or you potentially have your history deleted recently, then you will not be able to see your YouTube history, or you will not be able to see anything if it's also paused, right? You won't see anything more. So right here, you will see if it's paused. And of course, you want to click on where it says view my activity. You can click on that. That's going to also show you more details. And so right here, in case you were scrolling down and you're not seeing anything, then it means that you don't have any history available, right? And the reason why it's not recording any history is that it's paused, right? That could be the YouTube history is paused, or even your web and app activity is also paused and it's not recording. But as I said, if it's a new account and all is paused, then nothing will be recorded. If it's an old account and nothing is recorded and you were seeing it before, then and you're not seeing it again, then it means that it's possibly deleted, and you will just need to make sure that they're on. So in this case, we're focused on YouTube, and so we want to click on where it says YouTube history off. You click there, and you want to scroll down and turn it on right here. Then click on turn on again. Then got it. And so going forward, you will see that the YouTube history is turned on, and it will start to record, let's say, things that you viewed in YouTube. It will start to record your activity from YouTube going forward. And that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.